Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think yesterday Google released the Android 11 beta for the Pixel phones, and today OnePlus have released it for the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. So I thought I'd check it out. I mean, it's not recommended to use it on your daily driver, but I thought I'd check it out anyway. So this is the webpage on XDA. They've got the links and the instructions here, so I've downloaded it already. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, you go to Settings, System Updates, Settings, Local Upgrade, and then you can see the file. Tap it. This package you selected will reset your device to factory settings after the installation, so that's the warning. So yeah, if you upgrade to Android 11, you are going to lose all your settings, but I'll give it a go anyway. So let's click Confirm. You've got to put your PIN in, and then it starts installing. So I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but we'll be back when it does. Okay, so you can see that the installation is completed, and now all we've got to do is restart and we should be in Android 11. So let's see how it goes. So it's pretty goes without saying, it's worth doing this on a full battery to make sure that you don't run out mid update. Okay, so it's starting to boot properly. So naturally it's a bit longer than a normal boot. Okay, so we're in. Okay, so it does say that this is a developer preview, so obviously the usual warnings. Okay, so it's still got the normal Android gestures. Nothing's changed there. And that's it. We're now in Android 11. So you've got a nice new wallpaper, very blue. Let's see what else. So the quick settings are supposed to be changed, but it looks the same to me. Let's see what else. Let's just pop into the settings. So you can see there now. Okay, so it says Android 11. It does say Android 11 there where my thumb is, but if you look for the Easter egg, they haven't updated it yet. It still says Android 10. That's a shame, but well. Okay, so they don't have the new power menu either. So I've been messing about with it for a bit, and to be honest, there's not much really to show. It's a very early developer preview. Pretty much everything is the same so far as Android 10, but it's cool that it's all running pretty early. So I guess as the betas go along, they'll add more features that Google showed already. There is one cool thing, the voice access works on it. So voice access, it did already work on Android 10, but it's just slightly improved on Android 11. So I'll just give you a quick showing of it. So if you activate it, before it would just put numbers on the apps and you'd have to do a number or anything you could touch, but now it can read the screen. So we'll give it a go. Instagram. So you can see it's opened Instagram. Scroll down. 1. Scroll down. Scroll down. 1. Home. Twitter. Tweet. So you can see that when I said tweet, it knew to click on the tweet button rather than me having to tell it a number. And the dictation is pretty good as well. And you can see it ends when you touch the screen. So it's a little bit buggy still, but it works pretty well. And it'd be interesting to see what more they can do with it. Other than that, you're not really going to get any new features from updating to the beta. It's definitely just for developers. So I would stay away from it for now. But yeah, it's pretty easy to get onto it. So if you want to downgrade back to Android 10, if you have installed it and realize there's no point, you can just go back to system updates, exact same process basically, do a local upgrade, and then you just need to put the original ROM in the root directory and just install it again like normal. Again, you'll lose all your data again, but you can go back pretty easily. So yeah, that's just a quick look at Android 11 on the OnePlus 8 Pro. I'll probably keep my eye on it to see if there's any new features that come soon. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.